Hi everyone, I'm Deboshri. I have finished my course of cabin crew and ground handling from Skylark Institute of Aviation. It has helped me develop my personality and has given me a lot of confidence in presenting myself, groom myself a lot and trying to improve my communication skills. I really like the way each and every type of customer is described and details given. It is not only applicable to customers in this case, but also to daily life. The interview skill module was very helpful and detailed, and there were pointers and tips. Those are small things, but sometimes they go unnoticed. But it has been taken care to point those things out. This course itself is a very beneficial course because it grooms a person in each and every subject. It's been very interactive. It's perfect, I would feel.